I'm Brittany with WTI, and I love the phrase, a body in motion stays in motion, and I really try to live by that. And that's why I super love these Wonder G yoga socks, because they have the silicone pads that really grip to any surface that you're working out on. It's nice. It absorbs your sweat very well, so your feet stay cool but don't get soggy. It is a really nice pair of yoga socks. And not only are they completely useful, but I love the look. I love to dance, particularly one of my favorite forms of dance is ballet. So I love how it has almost this ballerina shoe look. I was very excited that it came in a cute little carry case for the different color socks that come in the package. It is nice because if you're like me and you like to be organized and to know where your things are, they don't get mixed with all my other socks. I can just grab the bag, put them on. I've used these socks a lot. I think they are so well designed, and that's my point of view.